Hi and welcome to Elvatech YouTube channel. My name is Serge, and in this short video we will talk about energy calibration of the ProSpector 2 handheld XRF analyzer. We will talk about what it is, why it is important, and when you should perform it. So first of all, energy calibration is an adjustment of the energy scale inside the analyzer. In simple words, the instrument sees X-ray signals and must know exactly which energy belongs to which element. Over the time, because of temperature changes, mechanical shocks or natural aging of the electronics, this energy scale can drift a little. And energy calibration allows the analyzer to pull back the element peaks to their correct positions, so that every element is identified correctly. Energy calibration brings back accuracy and stability. You don't need to perform energy calibration all the time just in case. Instead, you should periodically check the instrument using our reference sample of 316 stainless steel, and the procedure is very simple. From time to time, for example, after the transportation or once every 6 months, measure the 316 stainless steel sample and compare with the calibration certificate that comes with the analyzer. And also, if you have the model with the light elements, as I have the ProSpector 2 LE, also measure the 2024 aluminum alloy and the same. Compare with the calibration certificate that comes with the analyzer and with the 2024 aluminum sample. If the results significantly go outside the ranges given in the certificate, this is the clear signal that you need to perform the energy calibration. You don't need to connect the instrument to a computer. Everything is done directly from the analyzer's menu. Now I will show you in practice how to perform this procedure.
The world depends on your precision. XRF Solutions by Elvatech. Precision that empowers confidence.
To perform the energy calibration, first of all, you need to log in into the analyzer with the service password. The service password you may know from our service department. Just contact them and they will provide you with the ones. And after you log in with the service password, you will see on the in the main menu of the analyzer where all calibrations are located. You will see some extra folders like energy calibration and composition calibration. We're interested in the energy calibration folder, and just press it once, and here you see the icons: warm up, energy calibration, low energy calibration, and so on. If you have the ProSpector 2 model without the light elements, you will see here only the energy calibration without low energy calibration, because you don't have the light elements. But if you have the model with light elements, as I do, you see the two folders. The first one is for the heavy elements, and the second one, low energy calibration, is for the light elements. And first of all, we need to perform the heavy task, energy calibration. We just press once, and you see on the screen there is a notice: place the Elvatech stainless steel 316 sample at the measurement window of the device. So we just place the 316 stainless steel on the measurement window and press the start button. The procedure for the heavy elements takes about 20 seconds. And that's it. We're almost done. Yeah, we're done. So you see on the screen there is a notification that calibration succeeded, and we have the details and spectrum. We are interested in details. Just press details once, and you see the table on the screen. Here in the left column you see the ferrum peak, molybdenum peak, resolution, and so on. And next, in the second column, you see the actual values and the factory values. We are particularly interested in the resolution. it is the resolution of the detector, and the value of this resolution should be no more than 0.140. So the less this value is, the better it is. If the values of the actual values here, you will have less than 0.140, less than this number, it is totally okay. It means that your device works properly. But if you will see here that you have the 0.141, for example, it means that you have some issues with the with something inside the analyzer, and you need to contact to our service department, and they will provide you with the remote diagnostic of your analyzer. But here we see that everything is okay, and we just close this table and we will go back. And one more detail, if you have the base model of ProSpector 2 analyzer without light elements and you have the pin detector, it means that the resolution of your detector should be no more than 0.180. So for the SDD detectors, we have the value of no more than 0.140, and for pin detectors, the value should be no more than 0.180. It is very important detail. And now we will perform the low energy calibration. We just click once, low energy calibration, and here we need to place the our aluminum alloy 2024 on the measurement window, and we also just press the start button, and we are done. We see on the screen that the calibration succeeded, and we also need the details. Click once and you see the table, the similar table, but we have the different elements. We have the aluminum peak and copper peak, and we also have here the resolution. In this case, for the light elements, the resolution should be no more than 0.090. If you have the values less than 0.090, it is totally okay. The lower this value, the better it is. We see that we have the actual values of the resolution of the detector 0.077, and the factory values were the same, so we don't need to worry about the health of our analyzer. Everything works properly and we can continue working without worrying. So that's it. That's how you can perform the energy calibration of your ProSpector 2 analyzer. So, energy calibration is the way to keep your ProSpector 3 in a good shape, so that it correctly recognizes elements and gives stable and reliable results. Periodically measure the 316 stainless steel sample and 2024 aluminum alloy sample, compare the values with the certificate, and perform the energy calibration only when it is really needed. So, that's it. If this video was helpful, give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. That's it. See you in the next videos.